Welcome back, guys. It seems today's show is one for the sisters. One of Jamaica's most beloved and popular health and fitness coaches, Camilla McDonald, has teamed up with her sister, Dr. Kimani Borland, to create a detox program geared towards resetting our bodies and helping us become our best selves. Welcome, Camilla and Dr. Borland. Good morning. How are you? Hi, guys.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right. Before we start, when I hear the word detox, and when I was a child, I heard detox, it sounded like washout. That's the first thing that comes to mind.
It's true.
And it scares me.
Okay, you want me to agree or disagree?
Well, possibly not agree or disagree, but possibly just clarify what exactly is a detox.
Okay, gotcha. I understand what the question is. Okay, so that's partially true. The idea is that when you wash out your body, okay, so when you do a washout in Jamaica, the idea is that you're trying to remove any basically stool that has not been passing nicely through the system. So let's say if you're not having a bowel movement regularly every day for the last couple of years, then you can assume that there has not been a efficient elimination of toxins. So remember, toxins pass through the liver, and then once they get converted or neutralized, what we call it, through the liver, through various enzymes in the liver, the way that they leave the body is primarily through the stool. We also have other organs of detox, of course, which is our kidneys and our skin and everything else. But our stool is really, really, really important way to make sure that the pipe and the passage is always remaining clean. So the washout aspect is true, but it's really only an aspect or a part of a detox program.
Okay. But what would you say is possibly the winning formula to, just health and wellness, and when it comes to our health? What's that winning formula?
Ooh. I would say a comprehensive approach, because health is so much more than one thing. It's so much more than a salad. It's so much more than a green juice. It's so much more than a good workout. There are so many different facets of health. What is your sleep health like? What are your stress levels? What is your water intake? Are you adequately hydrated? Are you doing any inner work and working on your spirituality? There are so many different facets of health, and I think one that approaches it from a comprehensive outlook and really kind of digs deep, and also one that focuses. So, for example, this active detox is only 10 days, but within the Rebirth Detox, we're really focusing on what happens after detox, because that is almost more important than the detox itself. It really is the elimination, as Dr. Kimani said it, of the toxins. But then how can we kind of commit to a lifestyle after that really is setting you up for a lifetime of good health?
Yeah, Camilla, I like that you touched on every single part of fitness and wellness, because for some people, when the new year comes around, them just say, all right, I'm going to just run.
Yeah, just run. Or we're just going to start eating salads and drinking green juice.
I'm all right.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So talk to me now about WellFit.
Yes.
So WellFit came about this year. It was originally supposed to be a physical program, and I launched it 2 weeks before the first case of COVID was confirmed in Jamaica. And so everything had to quickly pivot online. And so WellFit, we offer live classes, high intense interval training, yoga, Pilates, Zumba, meditation and mindfulness classes. And so we do take a comprehensive approach to our health. And this Rebirth Detox, we're kind of really zeroing in on that elimination part, really zeroing in on, just kind of learning about our bodies and, how to take the best care of it.
No, Camilla, you said yoga, and Extol went crazy. He got so excited. Yes, he has been getting in touch with his body.
Man, let me tell you.
He has been getting in touch, enjoying the stretches.
Hey, let me tell you, I'm enjoying the stretches, I'm enjoying the meditation, I'm enjoying it, because it's been a long time since I've done yoga. And I need you to explain to Talia why yoga is important. It's an important
He's trying
part.
to convince me to start yoga with him. But okay, we're going to talk about this aspect of our WellFit difference, yoga.
So I'm going to jump in here. I'm actually a yoga instructor. And so Cami has included in our WellFit program regular yoga classes. I am one of the teachers once a month, but there are also a couple other teachers, which is cool to keep the diversity. But yoga, the word yoga means yoke, which is union, right? So the idea is that we have this practice that is an ancient practice, okay, which means that, over millennia, it's almost like we have evidence of the effectiveness of this system. And it is a union of mind, body, and spirit. Okay. So here it is that we have a practice that's able to facilitate physical well-being, strength, flexibility, cardiovascular health, and many other levels. Then there is the mental, emotional portion where we're including breath work, and there's meditation, and then there's spiritual health, because once you delve the deeper and deeper, and you may attest to this, the further you get into your practice, the deeper and deeper you go into your yoga practice, the more and more years that go by that you're practicing, you basically learn how to elevate beyond your identity of just your body and just your profession, and just you realize that there is an identity of who you are on a soul spirit level, and that's the ultimate sensation of well, when you realize that you are connected to your fellow person, you're connected to your higher power, you're connected to the earth. And that's a really, really powerful place to be.
Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
Yes, talking about well and getting well fit, I think that Extol will be signing up, and a lot of persons will be signing up.
He's ready for you.
Yeah, he's ready to go, and I need some information too. So ladies, please share, how can persons sign up for the WellFit program, the WellFit Difference, and just get in touch with you guys?
All right, so the Rebirth Detox, you can sign up by going to thewellfitclub.com/Rebirth Detox. And for the WellFit program, it's thewellfitclub.com.
Okay, as simple as that. And we'll have all the necessary tools, all the necessary information that we need to sign up to get well fit for 2021. That's right, yeah? Yeah? Well, we're going to start? Okay.
Ready.
I love it.
I'm ready.
We're looking for your name in our Excel. Yeah, you better be ready.
What Gaga say, I'm ready. Are you?
Are you?
Join the WellFit Club for all the necessary tools, guidance, motivation, accountability, most important, and community to create the sustainable, long-lasting change in your body that you've been wanting to see. All right, guys, we're going to take a break. Thank you so much, guys.
Nice. Thank you for having us. Bye.
All right. Don't go anywhere, everyone. More Weekend Smile after this. So stretch. You know the one that I can do? Is that come so.